Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making washing soda. It's very easy to make. You just bake baking soda. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. So what you guys are going to need is a box of baking soda, a thing to put it in, pan, oven. It's pretty simple. So the first thing you want to do is you want to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you take your baking soda and you just put it on the pan. Come on. Whew, a little chunky. Okay. So I'm going to use a spatula to try and kind of break up the chunks and smooth it out so it's more even on the pan here. Okay, now that I have tried to evenly spread it on my pan, I'm going to tell you why I make washing soda out of baking soda. Washing soda is an ingredient in laundry detergent that I make. So I make my own laundry detergent, and it is actually quite expensive to buy. Like, I believe it's $10 just for a box of washing soda, where I can actually get a box of baking soda for under $2, and I can bake it up and I can make it into washing soda. So it's just cheaper to do it that way than to actually go out and buy a box of washing soda. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in now for an hour, and I'm going to stir it throughout and see if we can see how fine that is. The texture will actually change, so hopefully my camera can pick up the change in texture so you can see it. Alright, so it's about halfway through, and I'm going to just mix it up, stir it a little bit, and then I'm going to put it in for another half an hour, and then it will be done. Kind of see the texture is changing. Okay, and we are done making washing soda. Now, all you have to do is let it cool and then put it in your container. And you see big difference in texture now. I also want to say, try not to breathe it in. It's not so nice on the lungs. So if you guys liked that video, stay tuned because I will be making another video on how to make the actual laundry detergent. See you soon.